Let's do a quick Temu unboxing. I ordered 2 Temu orders. I'll pop the prices and all the details up because it is some time has passed. But the first order is these fairy lights, string like curtain lights supposedly. It was very cheap, but it comes with this remote, no batteries. I don't know how to like open it. You see there, I just freaking broke it. I think this thing is useless in any case, but yeah, it's alright. It was very cheap. I received a bunch of like hair accessories. I can't find everything now, but claw clips, one like this, a mini black one. Ooh, one like this, a brown one like this, 2 Alice bands, these weird looking scrunchies, and these clippies. I'll pop a pic if I stop dropping everything. I'll pop a pic and the price up if I can of what all I purchased. Then next up is the shirt, which I put back in the package, although Jason's worn it and he's messed some cool drink on it, and you know, he's been through it all, but it's quite nice. I really like it. He likes it too. The print would obviously fade as time goes, but this is a large. Material, it would have been great if it was a bit thicker, but this material is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So that's one thing I've like read and heard people say, is that a lot of their clothes are made from polyester, which is, you know, not the best material. And then this, surprisingly, I got for free, although I feel like their games and stuff or such, like, I don't know, it's weird. I don't know if this would fit me. I'm hoping it does. I'll try it on and let you know how that fits. And then moving on to my second order, most of these things I got on a massive sale, which was quite surprising because I know a lot of the gifts and stuff people say they don't really get. It's like all just like a gimmick, but I don't know. So one of the things was this, the little wristbands, and one of these cloud Alice bands. I've got quite a huge discount on this order. I'll pop a screenshot up. Then next is this full light. Awesome. I'm wondering what type of quality this is. I'm so scared to break this stuff because to me it's so difficult. I can't even tell you what batteries it takes. I'll figure it out. But anyway, you know, the quality, it feels like cheap. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, you get what you pay for, I guess. Next up, oh, this is quite nice, are these Alice bands. Ooh, that's pretty, not gonna lie. It's like, yeah, it's a bit flimsy, but it's still cute, hey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's very nice, and I really didn't pay a lot for this. I mean, here you'd pay 75 Rand for one Alice band. So there's that, super cute. Overall, the quality feels quite nice. Like, let me open this as well. I can off the bat tell you right now that Mr. Price, because this is one from Mr. Price, one I bought there, and this is the one from Temu. So it's sourced one in the same. You get what I'm trying to say? So I don't see why we can't buy from Temu Machine. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. But anyway, there's that. And then the 2 little wristbands. Sorry for how I look, guys. It's the end of the day and I'm a little bit moo. And slightly like, yo, I'm just, but anyway. First time I'm getting my hands on these. Just, it smells like, oh, a new product. That's very cute. I'm so excited. And then more hair accessories. So these cute pink little rackies. A mini claw clip. Well, not mini, but it's like medium sized, I guess. 2 of these scrunchies, which the quality doesn't seem great, but the color is quite popping, so that's cute. And then, oh my word, really? These are like these string lights now, supposedly. Like, what the hell? I'm sorry, but thick. Look, what's this? It's the same as this. Like, this isn't like the picture. This isn't fairy light. Like, what is this? No wonder it was so cheap. Oh my word. Let me plug it in and see what color this is. It's exactly the same. See what I can do with this, but it's all USB, so like, yeah, I'm using a battery pack for these. Literally, I shouldn't be doing this now. Okay. This also seems like, what the heck? This is supposed to be like a purple little, please don't drop it now, Michelle. Well, I guess it's cute. I guess it's okay. Is that purple? Let's see. I don't know if that's cute. Let me know what you think. Next up, okay. I forgot everything that I ordered. Oh my word. Okay, so these are battery operated, like, oh, but this, oh, that stinks. Oh, that honks. Oh, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I don't know what is on those plants, but that stinks. That fake, oh, that stinks. Like, there it goes. And then I think this is the last piece. This I actually got for free, believe it or not. Literally for free. This little bomber jacket, crop bomber jacket, and I think that's quite cute. Let me try it on. Okay, so not gonna lie, that's quite cute, hey? Like, you're not the best material, but it's pretty, it's cute. Like, I like. What do you think? I kind of like it. Oh, it's not gonna keep me warm, but it's nice for like, okay, the arms, the sleeves. Check what I'm saying. But yeah, it is bomber type, puffer style. So I think it's cute. What do you think? And yeah, that's my little Temu haul. You know, it's average. I'm not like way impressed by it. I'm gonna wash this obviously, but yeah, and I'm gonna go get ready for bed soon. So either way, my body will be cleansed. But yeah, let me know, what do you think about Temu? What do you think about Temu? Have you ordered from them yet? And should I order from She next time? Let me know.